What's going on, guys? Before we begin the video, my previous video had gotten cut off. It was I don't know, something was going on with the video. Something was going on with the video where it didn't want to edit the full video. It just edited up to like 3 minutes and then it cut off. But I'm gonna try to put the ending of that video into the beginning of this video, because it didn't show how the finished product came out of the valve cover and the catch can. So I'm gonna go ahead and show that now. That way, you know, you guys can see that. And let's get started with the video. Hope you guys like it. So here's the finished product. All of the blue came out. It looks really good, but for some reason there was an M underneath for that. So it's the finished product. It looks really cool besides that M, but for the most part it looks really good. Took off all of the blue and the black on this little bracket right here, and the valve cover came out really nice too, besides like in the creases, but I mean it's gonna get repainted anyways. And it came out really shiny. I like it. Yeah. The sheepy.
Why the hell does the O2 sensor like is this fucking long? Look, bro.
It goes all in it.
All the way. I think. Oh no.
Yeah, the clip is right there.
Oh, I didn't even see that shit. Come on, baby. Come to Papa.
Alright, so today we killing some cats today.
Killing the cat. Killing the cat.
We killing cats today.
Killing the cat.
We removing the catalytic converter, putting in a eBay test pipe.
Right. That's
Shit, $20 test pipe. I don't know. Will I still need the test pipe once the turbo's in here? I don't think so, because it's all gonna be one straight pipe, right?
On straight.
But I mean, I bought it already, so we're gonna go ahead.
Put that bitch in.
Yeah. These bolts are rusty.
Fucking rusty, and that shit, you gonna have a problem right there.
We're gonna have to use the air hammer. This side too.
Hammer it up.
Yeah.
It looked like it was a gap right here, though.
Yeah, there's gaps everywhere. Look, you see that big gap, all that smoke.
Hey, turn the camera. I'ma smile. Sight like that, but it's gaps.
I get it. Yeah, got gaps in your teeth, son.
like shit, it's gaps everywhere. Oh no.
All right, you're gonna have to hold it because I don't have my tripod today. What?
What, this? Hey dude, you're missing the O2 sensor.
Nah, the car only has one up top.
Well, you're missing it.
Well, I have two, one downstream, upstream.
Let's see if you can get it up in there.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Oh my god. Listen. We worry about getting that off after.
Why?
Because you'll have clearance afterwards. You could put it on the press. I'm on the clamp.
I forgot we work at a shop.
Right. Oh shit, battery went dead on me.
No, the screen goes to sleep.
Oh. I'm like, oh shit.
He's like, wake up.
From earlier? You just get rid of all this.
Eventually, but I mean, I don't have it right now. I'm working what I got.
I know you blind on that side.
I am, that light.
What is he seeing, guys? What is he seeing? Actually doesn't look that bad in the camera.
It doesn't.
That junk was loose booty. Now here goes the bullshit.
The issue.
I wouldn't even hammer there. I just. Okay. I was. Oh my god! This is a bolt. Oh my god.
Gasket? Oh, dang. You gotta grind that down.
No gasket.
Where's the gasket?
Alright. Well, say bye bye.
Ain't need a bolt.
Due to come through. Give you some bread for that shit. Right, you gonna need a new bolt. Let's see what's inside. Where my glasses? Shit.
I don't have glasses.
That motherfucker.
I don't think it's working.
I don't think I can do this without the glasses. I'm about to do this squinting like a motherfucker.
Hold it up. Alright, we're done.
Alright, come on. Wait a minute. Now y'all know not to let him do y'all exhaust work. Talking about we're done. Now we're done.
It's only going higher.
What you thought? Alright, tighten on this side some so it'll come to this side. That's my middle name. Look, the bolts fit better now than what the fuck they did earlier. Ain't no small leak going on around here. Damn.
Big leak. Alright, touch pipe is in. Finish it up. We bolted everything back down. Put the gaskets. This one, I believe. This one, I hope it doesn't leak, but it looks like it is. Yeah. What's wrong with that one?
I'm wondering why the fuck is it popping like that.
Oh my goodness.
Hello.
Hey, son.
Down.
You don't hear this rattle when you drive it? Like,
Yeah, you hear it popping. Like you hear it when I was revving it up.
whole mount is broken.
Bruh.
This is completely disconnected. And he made his own muscle delete.
Right. Clear.
That's how the Civic sounded. You couldn't really hear any difference. I didn't even hear a difference, and I know if I didn't hear it, the camera didn't hear it. But it sounds a little raspy. I don't like it. It's gonna get changed up really soon. And also, we bought another car. We're gonna reveal what kind of car it is. My buddy Chris, it's his car. He's gonna build it on the side, and you know, it should be fun. We went to go pick it up last night. What, the 21st of May, we want to go pick it up. Man, we didn't get home till like 2 in the morning. We had to pick the car up first, but we had to go pick something up second. But we couldn't tow the car to the second location, so we had to pay the guy, get the car keys and get the title, go to the second location, come back to go get the car. So it was a lot of back and forth driving, and it took a long time, but we got it done. And you know, the car's back at home now. Well, it's at the shop, you know, technically home. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned and keep on building.